Alright, look at what we have here. I'm sure we recognise these troublesome little devices. Joy-Cons, known for their ability to drift. Not in a good way. So these ones do that from time to time. They also have lost the rubber off the top of them. Makes them look a bit yucky. Doesn't feel too good. Got these bad boys. Some freshies. Couple bucks off AliExpress. Nothing too extreme. This one has been reshelled before, obviously, because it's a bit of a strange neon green. So let's not stuff around. Let's get straight into it. Usually they are tri-wing, which one of them still has tri-wing in it. The other one has normal Phillips in it. So it doesn't really matter which one I do first. Let's start with the left one. So that's the one with the Phillips head screws in it. Zoom out. 4 of them. Alright, they're off. So it should split apart, but you got to be careful because things are still going to be attached. Alright, so we've got to get the battery out of the way first. Well, we can get that disconnected as well, but the actual stick itself is below that Joy-Con, so we need a battery below that battery. It's been a while since I've opened up one of these. This one is a little bit in the way, so we'll do that one. Oh, hold on. We need to do this one too, because that's the actual Joy-Con stick itself. Come on. Head out. And look at that. What's that? A couple of minutes and it's out. Let's see how big divot in the middle of that one. It's all worn away. Let's get our nice fresh one in. Whoopsies. I'll have to put that shoulder button back on after. Alright. That is screwed back in. You know what, we will take this one out. A little bit in the way. Boom. Easy done. A little clean. Bit of gamer gunk. Alright, better put this back in first. And our little battery holder piece, make sure to plug it back in again. No, didn't need to unplug that speaker at the start. The speaker? No, that's the rumble motor. I'll get back in there. That didn't go in straight. All right. Right, let's crack on with the other one and see what the differences are. I've got tri-wing screws in this one still. I mean, it looks much the same inside. It's almost like it's just reversed. Makes sense. Get that battery out again. Leave the rumble motor plugged in this time, since you don't need to take that out. The screws are in a different spot to get this mid frame out. So the cable that goes between that bumper and the actual main board is a lot shorter on this one than the other one. And a trickier spot too. Definitely need a pair of little tweezers like that to do this one, I think. You'll struggle without it. Hold it so it doesn't wobble around as much because of the stick protruding through. Voila. And now we put it back together. Look at that thing. Half of it's gone. Alright, let's try and plug this little thing in. Oh, well, there you go. Not too different to the first one. Subtle differences, I'd say. Alright, so there you have it. From those to them. They look a bit nicer. But we need to test. Looks good. looks good. Sitting in the center, goes as directed. I think these Joy-Cons are ready for me to get Metroid Prime. Alright, well that might do it for today. Simple Joy-Con stick replacements. Works a bit better. Ready for me to get Metroid. Happy days. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.